सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई JBN Dr. L.K. Sharma, Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today our topic is relationship between President and Prime Minister of India. As we know that the President and Prime Ministers are the two faces of a single coin. In Hindi we can call as कि ये दोनों एक सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं. Prime Minister, if the head of the government, the President is the head of the state. Prime Minister, along with his Council of Ministers, it is jointly responsible to the President. Even though many think the President is only a ceremonial head of the state, the fact he has important legislative, executive, and judicial function. After the election to the Lok Sabha, it is the President who invites the leader of the majority party to form the government. It may be mentioned that it is not laid down in the constitution that he can invite only the leader of the majority party, but in practice the PM has to have the confidence of majority in parliament. But when no party has a majority, the president has a lot of discretion to invite any member who in his view will be able to form a government or who have a ability to form a government. All the executive functions of the government are done in the name of the president. Through all files do not go to him. There is a delegation called transaction of business rules which has stipulated the delegation. The rules of business allocation has been made in 1961. All group A appointment in the central government are done in the name of president. He signs the credentials of officers who represent India abroad and in international organizations. He also appoints a vice chancellors of the central university. All the bills passed by both the houses of parliament becomes acts only after the president signs them. The president can return the bill for clarification, and if they are passed again and again and sent for approval, the president has to sign it. But if the president neither signs nor return the bill, there is a little the PM or government can do. This is sometimes called a pocket veto. President is also head of Armed Forces of India. President also appoints the judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts with the aid and advices of the Prime Minister of India. All the functions of the president is done on the recommendation of the government headed by the Prime Minister. In the view the above, it is evident a good rapport between the PM and President is of the utmost importance in a smooth transaction of government business. This is all about the relationship between Prime Minister and President of India. If you have facing any problem, then mention in the comment box. Thank you.